What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Moan. Today we're going to be taking a look at how to reset the maintenance light on a 2021 Toyota Corolla. This is going to reset the maintenance light, which will also reset the oil life. So we're going to need to start with the vehicle on or running, and then we're going to use these buttons on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. And I'm going to focus in on the dash, but just so you know what I'm pressing when I'm saying left, right, up, down, okay? So what we're going to need to do is scroll left or right depending on where you're starting from, and scroll over until you have this screen highlighted, the settings menu, the one with the kind of the gear shape. And once you're on this screen, go ahead and scroll down until vehicle settings is highlighted, and then press and hold down the OK button for a couple seconds. Then once you get to this screen, go ahead and scroll down until scheduled maintenance is highlighted and press OK. Then here it's just asking you if you want to reset the data. I'm going to scroll up until yes is highlighted and press OK. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.